Hello everyone, this is Prathamesh and you are watching Formal Value. This is the first video of this channel, so make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Today we are talking about how you can earn money as a web developer in a freelance. So if you have any skills such as web developer, graphic designing, video editing and content writing, then you are a golden person of this time. Because every single startup company wants to shift their business online, but they don't have time and resources to complete their task. So this is the golden opportunity for us to grab them and start our freelancing journey today. But majority people when they started, they facing some problems such as how can I get my first client? How can I pitch them? And how much should I ask for payment? So today we are answering all of these questions in this video. So let's get started. As we know, get a first client is very difficult. But when you go step by step, then you can definitely get your client within a week. So first of all, before you starting your freelancing journey, make sure that you have a portfolio website. In that, you can show your services to your clients. And don't forget to mention a call to action button in your website, because it will be helps to your clients to contact with you. After that, target your audience. Target only those people who wants to really need your services and send them a cold email. What is a cold email? It is a different topic that will be covered in the next video. So stay tuned for that. So after getting a one client, pitch them directly. Pitch them directly because client don't have a time to spend with you. So tell them about your services. Tell them how much value you can create with your services in their business. So after that, there is the next question is how much should I ask for a payment? So there is a two way to charge a project. You can charge a particular project basis and hourly basis. But I will be specially recommended that you can charge a particular project basis. And make sure that you create a contract with you and your client, because it will be clear all the things that will be mentioned in your contract, and mention a timeline also. And so many people ask me how can I get my payment from my client on time. So for that, basically I am using 50-25-25 formula. That is when deal is closed, client have to pay 50% amount first in advance, and after that 25-25, and payment will be done. Mention the date of payment on your contract also. So that's all for today guys. If you think you learned something new from this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching this video, and we will be meet you next time.